What's going on, everyone? This is another productive video. I'm your host, Robert Steele, and how you guys doing out there? Now, we have a great website here, and this video, we're going to be focusing on designing a book cover. And you may say, well, how do I design it? What platform would I use to design? This is a good platform you could use. It's canva.com. I use this for a lot of my designs, and we'll just dive straight into it. Of course, I'm logged in, so go here to the right, create a design. And here are some of the options here that you can choose from: resume, video presentation, website, photo collage, business card, YouTube thumbnail, t-shirt design, and here we have book cover. Now, you can design this book cover from scratch. You have a blank canvas. You can pick your color for your background. You can add a photo that you already have as your book cover. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can change your font size, your font color, um, your font style. You can add shadows behind your font. You can do so much with this here. And let's just say you don't know exactly how you want it, but you want a general idea how you want it to look. You don't want to start from a blank canvas like here. So you have templates over here that you can use. Pick your template, and these are like books for you, inspirational book cover. It has different subjects. So I'm just going to choose from the for you section of templates. Now here we go. We have different templates that you could choose from, but all you have to do is change your title, change the author name. You can change the colors around, make it yours. Let's choose this Love and Friends one. Oh, this one's a juicy one. So, difference between love and friends. Let's just say you like the title. Let's just say that is the title that you're going with. Of course, most chances you're not using the same title, but I'm gonna leave it here. But you want to change the author name. You want your name here. So you double click on it, which will highlight it blue. And I'm just going to type my name in here, Robert Steele. Click off to the side. Boom, there you have it. It's changed that quick, and you can save it, download it, and that's your book cover. Now let's choose another one. Let's choose this Happy Lemon design. Replace current page to Happy Lemon, illustrated by, I'm going to double click here, backspace, and put my name here. And there you have it, as if I illustrated already. This is for people that need an idea of what to go with. You could choose, you could type in, let's say, cookbook, and it would give you different cookbook templates that you could choose from if you want to go that route. Now, let me know what you guys think. I will be coming with more tutorial videos of how to do things with Canva. It's an unlimited source here. Now I have the free version. You can also upgrade to the paid version. And the paid version, which is Canva Pro, which allows you more templates to use, because some of these templates will have the Canva watermark across them. So you don't want that watermark across your design. So, and plus the watermark designs are the really good ones. So of course they're gonna make you pay a little something for it, which is fair. This is business. But try Canva Pro if you want to, but I suggest try the free version to get your feet wet with it. Then go to the pro version if you are a huge designer in this, or if you have a lot of ideas and you don't want to be limited on what you can do. Now, some of you on here might want to get into doing book designs for people that write books. This is an awesome way to make extra money online. You will come to Canva, come up with a design, You see how simple these example was, and you come up with a design, and then you could charge people for these designs. You can take this right here, this design I just created, or someone orders a book design. You can come here to Canva, design a book cover with that person's name, title of the book, the font, and how they like it. You show it to them. Of course, put your own watermark across it. Make sure they pay you before you release it without the watermark. Or you can go to take your design and go to Fiverr.com. And I'm going to do a video on that as well. You could do your design here, take it to Fiverr.com, become a seller, and upload your designs to Fiverr as your example designs and start making money there with it. So as you get customers on Fiverr, you could come and design book covers and then charge a fee for it. So that's a great thing about Canva. It gives you opportunities of how to make money online. Like I said, there's no limits to this. So check out canva.com. I also mentioned fiverr.com. That is spelled Fiverr.com. And you can see the unlimited possibilities, especially since we in this situation where a lot of jobs are shut down. We still need to make money, and why not make money online? Have it sent directly to your PayPal or your bank account. So this been a good video, y'all. I would definitely be coming with more tutorials and examples of how to make money online. Shout out to Canva, shout out to Fiverr, because you're providing opportunities for the creative mind. And this has been a real video. So let me know what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe, comment below, and I'm out.